Hi everyone. As we know that the portion of English 6th standard SSC board Maharashtra has been changed. So we are going to learn today the first poem 1.1. And the name of the poem is The School Bell Rings Again. Here one question is given. A warm up question it is. Think and write. New things I want to learn this year. So whatever the new thing you want to learn this year, think on that and then write the answer in the given boxes. Now we will read the poem. Uh, for the instruction they have given, read and recite. A new school year and a brand new start, a school in which we all take parts. So buckle up and off we'll go. There are so many things we want to know. Now that are we in grade 6, new things will be added to the learning mix. Difficult calculation forms of writing. Each term will be so exciting. I think that as a classroom clean, our motto should be yes we can. So let's begin. Comments get cracking. Just remember there should be no slacking. The writer is anonymous, and whatever the word is difficult, meaning is already given in the word basket. For example, the first word is buckle up, to get ready or prepare for something intense, exciting. The next word is clan, a group of families who are related to each other. The next word is commence, to start or to begin. Slacking, decrease or reduce or decrease in intensity, quantity or speed. Questions which is given in the textbook. Read the following questions and tick the correct answer. The very first question is, what does the poet describe at the first? So what does it describe? The poem is trying to describe us the end of the school year, a new school year, a holidays, trips, a sports day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, very good. A new school year is the right answer. The next one. What does buckle up suggest in the poem? So the very first is silent. Sit quietly. Get ready for a new journey. Wear a uniform. Be careful. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the answer is B. Get ready for a journey. Thank you. Next one answer is, which grade are the student in? It's very easy, already given in the poem. 1, 2, 3.